5 класс, английский язык. Не пропустите. Домашнее задание. Страница 110. English. Spotlight 5. Don't miss it. Homework page 110. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 110. Don't miss it. Exercise number 1. Vocabulary. Types of films. Listen to the music. Which type of film does it match? Horror, romance, comedy, action, animated, fantasy. Послушайте музыку, какому типу фильма она соответствует. Horror, romance, comedy, action, animated, fantasy. The answer. The music matches an action film. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Reading. Read the email and answer the questions. Explain the words in bold. Прочитайте электронное письмо и ответьте на вопросы. Объясните выделенные слова. What type of film is it? What is the film about? Who stars in the film? Hi, Julie. How are you? I had a great weekend. I went to the cinema on Saturday night with my friends. We saw Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, a fantasy film starring Daniel Radcliffe, Rupert Grint and Emma Watson. The 6th film of the Harry Potter series is about Harry Potter getting ready to face Voldemort. Dumbledore takes Harry with him on a secret journey in which Harry is the witness to the battle between good and evil. I found the film exciting, and the acting was wonderful. I think it's a must-see for everyone. How about you? Did you go to the seaside last weekend? Love, Samantha. The answer. It's a fantasy film. The film is about Harry Potter. Dumbledore takes Harry with him on a secret journey in which Harry is a witness to the battle between good and evil. Daniel Radcliffe, Rupert Grint and Emma Watson are starring in the film. Starring, series, face, secret journey, witness, battle, good, evil, acting, must see. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. How does Samantha recommend the film? Which two sentences below can she use instead? Как Саманта характеризует фильм? Какие из двух данных ниже предложений она может использовать вместо своих? It's super. It's well worth seeing. It's bore to watch. The answer. Samantha found the film exciting, and the acting is wonderful. She thinks it's a must-see for everyone. She can use first and second sentence. It's super. It's well worth seeing. Grammar, past simple, irregular verbs. Неправильный глагол. Exercise number 4, letter A. Read the theory. Find 4 irregular past simple forms in the email. Прочитайте теорию. Найдите в письме 4 неправильных глагола в прошедшем времени. The answer. Had, to have. Went, to go. Saw, to see. Found, to find. We must do exercise number 4, letter B. What are the past forms of the verbs below, which are regular and irregular? See the list of the irregular verbs at the end of the book. Напишите формы прошедшего времени глаголов, данных ниже. Какие из них правильны, какие неправильные. See, saw. Go, went. Read, read. Make, made. Take, took. Write, wrote. Send, sent. Buy, bought. Walk, walked. Play, played. Find, found. Think, thought. Have, had. Get, got. Do exercise number 4, letter C. Use the verbs in exercise number 4, letter B, to ask and answer questions. Используйте глаголы из упражнения 4b, чтобы задать вопрос и ответить на него. Did you see a film last weekend? Yes, I did. I saw Avatar. No, I didn't. The answer. Did you go to the cinema last Sunday? Yes, I did. I went to the cinema at last Sunday night. Did you read Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince book? No, I didn't. I read only the first book of this story, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Did you buy your new boots in shoe shop? Yes, I did. I bought my boots in Ralph Ringer's shoe shop. Did you think about this problem? No, I didn't. I thought about other things. We must do exercise number 5, writing. Exercise number 5, letter A. Choose a film you like and make notes under the heading. Type, plot, main characters, recommendation. Выберите фильм, который тебе нравится, и сделай подсказки под заголовками: жанр, сюжет, главные персонажи, рекомендации. Title of the film: Hachi, a Dog's Tale. Type: drama. Plot: it is a story about the dog which went to the station to meet its owner. Main characters: Richard Gere, Joan Allen, Sarah Roman. Recommendations: it's a great film. The answer: Hi Nina, yesterday I saw one beautiful film. The film: Hachi, A Dog's Tale, is a fantastic drama film. It is about the dog which went to the station to meet its owner. The role of the Hachi was performed by 6 dogs, 3 puppies and 3 adult dogs. The film can make you cry. It's a great film for the whole family. And what about you? What did you do yesterday? Love, Kira. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once,